Today we will go over an extremely good trade practice talking about every single detail. We will do a top-down analysis to cover market structure analysis. Furthermore, we will learn how to find good entry points and tradable areas. Let's start now. Let's continue to practice and adapt to different market conditions. For example, check this chart out. What do you really see? We have this previous week high above, a possible target for us to take out, right? Then below it, we have these equal high levels, waiting for us as liquidity. Then at the bottom, we have a very nice SR flip location if we noticed, support and resistance flip. It all happens at this nice 15-minute imbalance location. Then the rest of the price section is actually very simple concepts. Structure shift followed by an imbalance, then a possible 2-hour setup. Not bad at all. But how hard is to catch this trade? Are you sitting like 10 hours in front of your computer just for a single trade? Do you really know how hard it is to wait for a single entry all day long for hours? I think this is not applicable to all traders. Keep this in mind, we will get back to this situation again. So before that, I wanna talk about one more time what really happened here. First thing we did is, we looked for a possible targets. So we looked for a reasons for the price move up or down. We already know the previous week high above, that was clear. But also these equal highs made things better for us, a better target. Then we noticed the SR flip location combined with an inner 15-minute imbalance. What is it? This gave us an overall entry location to look for opening new trades. So after all that, what happened? An inner liquidity sweep right above the imbalance and SR flip. And then the rest is smart money and price action concepts to trade. I hope all of this clear. Because these are the things that already you know really well. So what else can we talk about here? If you use the multiple time frames with the indicator, you will also see that this is the entry location of multiple imbalances. 30 minute, 1, 2, and 3 are imbalances altogether. All of this tapped at once right at the SR flip location. And all these are the things that you have been practicing for a really long time. But the trade entry is always a problem. Makes you wait for hours in front of the computer. Then what can we do about it? First of all, what do we really know here? First, we know that we have this lovely multiple imbalance location. This is a hardcore, real fact. Then we know there is this solid SR flip location as well. So if we will not use the risk reward, how can we enter this? Basically, simple cost averaging. First of all, I set a limit order to multi-imbalance location for the first possible pullback. Then I place a secondary limit order to SR flip location because this is another key level. Lastly, I can place my order to deep liquidity levels way below. So in this case, I can create an average entry with 2 or 3 orders as you noticed. No more waiting, no more snipers, no more sleeping in front of the computer. All you do is just set your limit orders to key areas, key level zones, and leave things be. Okay friends, this was a great lesson. I hope you liked it. See you next time and please take care. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you